Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you do? I wish you will be enjoying the best of all. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning unit number 6 and its title is Caterpillar Garden. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 6, we will learn about reading and writing, page number 46 and 47. Before in English for grade 1, my dear students, already we have learned about English and nursery rhymes. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further about it. Read and recite short poem or nursery rhymes with actions. Identify words that begin with the same sound. Okay, so today we are going to cover up these as follows. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah 3, verse number 1 to 5, by the fig and by the olive, by Mount Sinai, and by this city of security, Makkah. Verily we created a man of the best stature mold. Subhanallah, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the stature of man, how Allah has created beautifully human beings. So it means Allah has created us best in every way, my dear students. So it's Allah's blessing that He has blessed us so many qualities in our personality. Subhanallah, my dear students. So let's see now, we are going to move. Yes, Caterpillar Garden. Okay, open your book, my dear students. Pre-reading questions are there for you. Look at the title and pictures and predict the lesson, predict the poem. Look at the pictures. Here is a picture and also here is a picture on page number 46, my dear students, and try to judge that what we are going to learn about. Okay, pause the video and discuss with your teacher. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have done it and you have got that what we are going to learn about. Good. So now we are going to start our lecture, okay? Over in the garden, underneath a tree. Underneath mean, my dear students, situated directly below, okay? Over in the garden, underneath a tree, I saw some fuzzy caterpillars. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Look, that fuzzy means unclear, okay? Unclear, like blur, we can say that. We cannot say clearly that thing, that is called fuzzy. Okay, I saw some fuzzy caterpillars. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next, see there, over in the garden, underneath the moon. You can see there underneath the moon. Are you watching, my dear students? These are caterpillars. Yes. Each caterpillar spun herself a wonderful cocoon. Wow, look, this is spun herself, okay? Wonderful mean unusually good. So beautiful. This is like unspun herself, my dear students. Are you watching that? Each caterpillar spun herself a wonderful cocoon. So this is that how we are going to see that how a caterpillar is turning into a beautiful butterfly. Let's see. Next is cocoon. What is cocoon? A silky case spun by the larvae of many insects for protection. So this is cocoon, okay? These many larvae that our insects have, and how it these cocoons are so protective for them, okay? Next is while reading question for you. What did the bird say? Underneath a tree. Yes, we learned that. What did the bird see? Yes, underneath a garden, underneath a tree, what did he see? Caterpillar, fuzzy caterpillars. Good job. Over in the garden, right before my eyes. Yes, over in the garden now what is going to be happen? Right before my eyes. What? Look, what? Caterpillar, pupa and butterfly. So beautiful butterfly it is. Wow. Next, see, you can see there like egg. From eggs caterpillar, turning into caterpillar, and next pupa, and next is the last stage is butterfly. Okay, those caterpillars are turned into lovely butterflies. See there, wow, so beautiful. These all are over in the garden, and after few days these all caterpillars turn into lovely butterflies. Good job. So words can have the same beginning sounds. My dear students, now we are going to learn about sounds. As we know that words, mostly words have same beginning sounds. How we can judge? See there, like show, s, snow, slow. This is okay. These are same beginning sounds. Why? Because their s, first letter is s and sound is also s. Next, you can see examples: beer, bread, beer, bread. Have you judged? Next, words can have the same beginning sounds. Examples: the, this, there, th, th, and th. Okay, my dear students, now two letters are giving us same sound. Okay, two letters together and both are consonant. Keep remember. Next, now we are moving towards an activity. Teacher, you have to divide students into pairs. So my dear teacher, you have to divide students into pairs. Teacher will recite the poem on page number 49 with proper intonation, rising and falling of voice. Then teacher will recite the poem to each member of the pair. Yes, my dear teacher, now you are going to perform this poem. First of all, you will get students into different pairs, and after that, you will let students to recite that poem. You will recite and student can follow you. Okay, so pause the video and enjoy this activity in your class and read the poem. Good job. Welcome back. I hope you have done it and you have recited the poem in an excellent way. Good job, my dear students. Next, what you have to do now on question number 3 is there. Read the given poem with rhythm, and our title is popcorn. Okay, so my dear students, now you have to read this poem with proper intonation and with rising and falling. Okay, so my dear teacher, so pause the video and read this poem in your class. Welcome back. Good job. I hope you have done it in a nice way and now you have recited this poem in an excellent voice. Good job, my dear students. You are being genius, mashallah. Next, what's your homework for today? You have to do comprehension question number 1 in your notebook and 2 on your book, page number 48. So my dear students, this is your homework for today. You have to do question number 1 in your notebooks and question number 2 on your book, page number 48. So this is your homework for today. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form. What we have covered, we have identified words that begin with the same sound. We have read and recited the poem with actions, and in this way we have covered up this SLO. My dear students, we have read that how we can recite different poems with rising and falling intonation, and also we have read that how we can identify words with the same sounds. Okay, so tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.